Hi, I'm Scott Hamilton, run a contracting business here in South Lanarkshire. We cover all specs of agricultural contracting from grass to arable, running 2 foragers and 2 combine harvesters. This year we took delivery of a pre-production class TRION 530 to replace our class Decano 430. The Decano was a level land machine, whereas the TRION is a Montana hillsider. Never having a Montana before, this is the first hillsider. I've been surprised by the difference it makes going across side slopes. I'm not hanging onto the wheel to stay in the seat, but it also means that the sieves aren't loaded up to the one side, which means we can keep going at a constant speed across slopes or up or down hills. It's absolutely magic. I wouldn't think of buying another combine without it. The biggest difference is the increased capacity of the separation areas, which is almost in par with the Lanarkshire's separation area, which means we can cover as much, if not more, ground than the Lanarkshire we have running in the fleet. On a daily output, we have upped our percentage of our daily coverage by about 25%. Being 6'9", the increased depth of the cab and the new footrests that they have installed have made it a much more pleasurable place to be, spending so much time in there. It's so much quieter in the cab and the controls are so well laid out and easy to operate when moving along the field. The simplicity of the cab is followed through to the drive lines of the machine, right through to the straw chopping device, which is simple to operate outside. The tank size is more in keeping with the size of trailers we run, whereas we were needing 3 or 4 tankfuls before to fill a trailer. We only need 2 now to keep the trailers moving and save them sitting at the headland waiting on the combine filling them. The pivot and spout is a great job for when the trailer drivers are struggling to stay alongside the combine and you're needing to extend, or in combination with the spout camera, that makes loading on the move so much easier. The reason we went for a 5-worker machine is because field sizes in the area are not an average size of 15 acres, and we run 2 machines, which means we can keep 2 customers happy on the one day instead of having one big machine where you're only keeping 1 customer happy.